Hello, today we're at Guildford Studios testing some explosives out. We have a SFX team down on site testing some explosives, so this may be one of the biggest explosions we've had on site depending on what happens, but who knows. I've only been briefed on what I've been said, but I'm going to hand it over to Michael for the test footage.
So welcome to Tanks for Hire TV. Today, if you ever ask yourself, oh, I don't want to go to work, I love going to work. I get to play with tanks and we get to blow stuff up. So today we have Element SFX in with us because they are gearing up for a big movie, and they've asked us, obviously they come in and test what they're doing on our site because it's totally secure and safe. So we've got some trial big explosions going on and special effects, so enjoy.
Firing, 3, 2, 1.
Here's the guys from Fire Cover in case there's a fire in the ground. Lovely Navara with all the pump system, the fire extinguishers on the back, and then here's the guys setting up.
So soft material under the charge,
Yeah.
into the shooter pot, soft material on top for a lifter, and then that separates the charge from the metal so we don't get any crack in it, and then that lifts all the material out.
Brilliant. Learned something today.
We like that.
So here we are for the afternoon test firing. The world of special effects. Very clever. Look at that. To control the blast, they've scored the back of the plasterboard so it breaks into certain chunks. Very clever. Oh, look.
Be mindful there because we are charging.
Foam.
Right, I've got all the cameras set up. One here, one by the gate, which I worry about because that debris is going to fly all over it. And one right close by, so if it survives, has enough battery life as well, then it should be all good.
Everyone rolling? Rolling! Rolling! Backs are hot. Firing, 3, 2, 1. Safe on the box.
Oh. Wow.